Today turned out to be a very busy day, and I failed to plan for supper. With 2 inches of rain soaking into our country roads, my bus route took a little bit longer than it usually did. I have a favorite recipe that I use when I fail to plan or I'm short on time. Let me share it with you. This recipe has staple ingredients. I usually have to make quite a large pan to feed all of us, so I use 2 cans of corn, 2 cans of green beans, 3 cans of cream of chicken soup, and 3 cans of canned chicken. I try to have these ingredients on hand because I know this is a recipe that my family likes and it goes over well, and so it's easier for me just to keep the ingredients on hand for days like today. Preparation is simple. Just drain your corn, your beans, and your chicken, put them in a bowl, add the cream of chicken soup, and mix well. The topping, which is the family favorite, is just stovetop stuffing that you cook separately, and then we'll spread it on top. I usually have to make 2 9x13s, or I can use my big 10x14. So to make a 9x13, you would just use 1 can of corn, green beans, and chicken, and 1 can, nope, scratch that, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. My Aunt Vicky told me about these dinner rolls a few years back by Sister Schubert's. They go from frozen to cook in about 5 minutes, and it's a nice, quick, easy way to add to a meal. These rolls pair perfectly with the freezer strawberry jam that I brought home from my cousins in Minnesota. Our house is unique because we have 2 kitchens, which means 2 stoves. So many times that has been a blessing, so that when we have big meals, I can have 2 things going at the same time. This kitchen used to be my grandmother's, and it's always had a lack of space, counter space, cabinets, anything. So when we took over back in 2007 and we revamped the old kitchen, I added this stainless steel table, which has been an extreme blessing. I love that I don't have to worry about heat. I can take pans right off the stovetop and set on it right out of the oven, and it doesn't hurt it at all. And it's great for rolling out egg noodles, anything large, pie crust. It's just an excellent addition to the kitchen. Something I have been working on that I'm not very good at is getting the dishes done between the time food has been prepped and while it cooks, so that after supper, when we're tired, we're not still going out to the kitchen and have dishes there waiting for us. The concentration of our homeschool is so that our daughter is prepared for life. Her curriculum is life. Part of her life skill is to always set the table for supper. It's part of her service to our family. Around 5:30, everybody starts to trickle home, and we reconnect and visit about our day. that, an easy, hearty meal for our family. Thanks for stopping by, and come back next time. I look forward to it.